regardless of what number you start with, if you add it to itself, then multiply it by 4, and again divide it by 8, it will give you what number?
Wait, okay. Regardless of what number you start with, if you add it to itself, multiply it by 4, and again divide the number by 8, it will give you what number? Is it 0? Is it 0?
What do you start with?
0.
So whatever number you use, what is it going to be?
Oh. I was what number you start with.
No matter what number you start with, what are you going to always end up with?
Oh, what do you end up with? One.
What do you start with?
What do you start with?
Whatever number you start with, what are you going to always end up with? If you any number you start with, what are you going to always end up with?
Okay. It's not. It gives you 1, right?
Right, I'm saying if you start with 2, right?
Yeah.
What number are you going to end up with at the
Okay.
end?
So add 2 to itself.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 4. And multiply by 4.
Mm-hmm.
16.
Then divide by 8.
Divide by 8, that's 2.
Right.
Okay.
So whatever you start with, you
And with 2.
or it isn't.
Oh.
It could be any number.
Any
right?
number.
Right. So whatever number you start with, you're going to always end up with that what?
Same number. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's-
I'm crazy.